and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how natural gas price has moved in 2022 and how the natural gas price can move in 2023. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is currently trading at around $5.963. Okay, and one important thing that you have to see, that there is some pattern creating. See, this is the range from 91 to 99. This was the range. Once this range break, we have seen an upside, and the market for natural gas was very volatile since this range has break. Okay, and it was in the particular, that means till 2008 it was very volatile. After 2000 to 2008 it was very volatile, but as soon as it came in this particular zone, and this is from 2009 to a level of 2021, it was moving in this zone, and it is not that much volatile compared to these 8 years, okay, before 2008. Okay, now what you can see, the same pattern is created here. It is quite volatile once it crosses this particular 2021. In 2022, what we have seen, that it made this particular high, came down, and thrice it went upside. Okay, and it is quite a volatile, as you can see, already made thrice. But what you have to understand here, that after 2020, that whenever it goes high, we have seen a sharp fall has come, and suppose this is the first high, and when it has made the second high, it came down. Means whenever it goes high and crosses a first particular high, we have seen there is a sharp fall. This was the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time, fourth time, fifth, and this is the sixth time we have seen there is a continuous fall. Whenever this is the sixth time when it went down, okay, after crossing this particular high, and there is a pattern forming in this particular zone. So you can see after 2021, once this zone break, we have seen it is on an uptrend, okay, and now trading at around $5.964. So what we can see in 2023, before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in natural gas and other commodities, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. Suppose if this price sustain, okay, but there are high chances that it can come down because there's continuously red candles are forming. So suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $6.301. Okay, and if the price move above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $6.516. Okay, and after that, if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $7.268, and from there we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $7.376. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above that level, and chances are very high that if the price goes above a level of 7.268, then it can cross this particular level of $7.376, because this is a weak resistance. So chances are high it can move further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of 7.5 will be there. And if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $8.2. Keep this in mind, that once it goes above a level of $8.206, then we can see it can move further upside and can go and touch a level of $9.418. This, after this level 8.2, we can see it can touch a level of $9.418, and this is again a weak resistance. So chances are high we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $9.6, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can cross its particular high of $10 also and can go further upside. And if the price goes above that particular level, then chances will be high that we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $10.143 and to a level of 10.358, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 10.627, and then further upside if the price sustain above that level and can go towards a level of 10.7. Once the price goes above that level, I'll make another video on this particular natural gas. Okay, and there is high chances that it can cross particular high if the price sustain that level. Okay, now market is for natural gas is very volatile as of now from 2-3 years, as you can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that this particular level, which is on a higher side, so what we can see, Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can move further down towards a level of around $5.891, and if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 5.696. okay, and once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $5.544. okay, and if the price didn't sustain that particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can move towards a level of $5.348. okay, and from there what we can see that $5.304 is a weak support, so chances will be very high that if this level didn't sustain, chances of moving further low towards a level of 5.043 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 4.956. okay, so once the price fall below a level of 4.956, there is higher probability that it can move further low and can touch a level of around $4.542. okay, and once the price move below that, can move further down towards a level of $4.236, and if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $3.5 also, and this is the price. Once fall below that level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $3.26 also, and then further down, because there is high chances that, because this is the zone where the maximum time the natural gas was moving, so chances will be very high once if it come in this particular zone, it will move in this zone till the time it will not break this particular level. okay, so chances will be very high if it falls below this particular level, then we can see a next support is 5.097 to a level of 4.958, and if that level goes down, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.236, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $3.514 to a level of 3.458. okay, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 3.2, and then further low if the price goes below that level. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.